Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I have 3 Valentine DIYs for you. I kept these super simple, just basic, nothing too extreme. So the first one is actually my favorite one. I got these glass jars from the Dollar Tree. I actually picked up 4, and these little styrofoam balls, they're called half balls. I actually picked up at Walmart for 97 cents. The Dollar Tree does sell them, but mine, you guys, my Dollar Trees have been out of everything, so I think this will be the last Valentine DIY. I think I do have a few other things in mind, but if I don't find them by this weekend, then I am just going to give up. The same thing with Target. I have not been able to find a lot to decorate with, but this Friday I think I'm going to do a clean and decorate with me with what I have right now. But this one right here, you guys, I loved how this turned out, and I will be keeping this for my everyday decor and making new ones. All you need is a glass jar, a styrofoam, and then any type of floral arrangement. I went with these little glass jars. They're new, I've never seen them before. And then the half ball, and I hot glued it, and I just stuck all these roses. I went and grabbed the, I think they're a peachy color, I don't know, but they're roses, but they're peach, they're not the pink. And then white roses, and just put it all together. All you do is stick them into the styrofoam, and that is it, you guys. And I just love the way this turned out. It kind of reminds me, I've seen a lot of these. I went to Home Goods last night and I saw something like this. They were about $30. I was like, I could not believe it. And guys, I made this for $6. It took 4 bunches of those roses. I think it was actually 3 or 4, I'm not sure. Definitely no more than 4 bunches. The glass jar, and then the half ball. So another 97 cents for the half ball, and then the glass jar was $1, so $6 just to make this. And I love it, you guys. This is actually my favorite. Every time I walk by it, I look at it and I'm just amazed, because $6, and yeah, Home Goods was selling them for 30. Wow, I cannot believe it. But I will be doing this for my regular everyday decor, and I think I will be keeping this for my everyday decor just because I'm going for a different color scheme in the house, a lot of blushes and pinks. I don't know, that's what I've been into lately. But look how cute, you guys. And it was super simple, super easy to make. I find them very adorable. And then moving on to the next one. So I decided I wanted books. I do have stacked books already. They're white and I distressed them, but I wanted to make some Valentine ones, so I decided to go ahead and grab 3 books and paint them pink. I used, I believe 4 different shades of pink. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I couldn't get exactly what I wanted, so I kind of mixed the colors a little bit when I did each book. So they all have a different tone. I actually used gray in one of the books, so it has a little, maybe a little darker, lighter, a little darker color to it. I don't know. But yes, you just paint these, and then I use Dollar Tree stickers, and on one of the books it says Be My, and then the second book I put Valentine, and then the last book I did XOXO. The only thing I did not like was, since the stickers are black, I think that it just didn't look right with the pink book. So what I did, which I don't show you in the video, because I decided to do this afterwards the next day, just because I didn't like the way the black looked, I traced it with my white chalk marker. My white chalk marker, what I use to write on my chalk labels. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I can't speak. But yeah, I just didn't like the way the black looked, so I just traced it and it looks just fine. Then I go ahead and wrap the books in the jute twine, and I add 1 rose. In the video, you will see that I don't know if I took a picture, but I add 1 rose. I ended up adding another rose, so I have 2 roses on the book, or on the books. See guys, I don't know if I should have kept it in the black, or I'm not even sure, but I like the way it looks when I traced it with the white chalk marker. Alright, so this next one, guys, I really love this sign. It's super cute and it's super sturdy for $1. I just love it. I actually picked up 5 of these. So my intentions for this right here, when this tape right here is washi tape. I wanted to keep that the look of the cardboard look, I guess, But after I finished painting, I don't know, I think to me it just didn't look right. So when I peeled the tape off, I just decided to go ahead and cover, like I did the pink, and then I did white in the middle, and then I did pink. So it's a layer of pink, white, and pink. But when I pulled the washi tape, I didn't like the way it looked. It didn't look like what I thought it would look like. So I went ahead and just, see, it just doesn't look right to me. So I went ahead and just finished painting it with the pink. But I do have 4 more of these signs, and I think I'm going to do another DIY with this, but completely different. This one I just wanted to keep it simple because I think this one is going to go out in my living room, and I didn't want anything to be too busy on it. So I just decided to just paint it, and I kind of wanted to see how it would look afterwards. But I actually did like the way it turned out. So like I said, I bought like 4 or 5 of these, so I'm going to go ahead and make another one, and possibly maybe put it in the kitchen, I'm not sure, or just make one for my everyday decor. But I just think that this came out super cute. It's super simple. I actually added some felt stickers to it, but I did not like the way it looked. Like I said, I am trying to keep this super simple and basic, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed these DIYs. Like I said, I might come out with another video, I'm not sure. If my Dollar Trees do not stock, I am not going to worry about it, but I have seen so many things on Pinterest that I want to make, but my Dollar Tree is just not stocking up on their items. But I will try my hardest. This weekend I will be going to Atlanta, so I'm going to visit my mom, so I'm going to go visit the Dollar Tree that's by my mother's house and see if I can find different things there. So, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. I would love for you to join my family. And that is it, you guys. So I will see you guys I guess Friday, and then maybe Monday, since I'll be gone for the weekend. So bye guys.